In this exercise, we're going to demonstrate a use for the StringStream class. We're going to read a line of grades from a file, which will be stored as strings, read it into a string variable, take that variable, copy its contents into a StringStream object, and then read the values out of the StringStream object as integers to figure out the average for that line of grades. The line of grades will look like this. I'll put it in as a comment. It's one file consisting of 5 grades, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. I've already included the headers that we need, the SStream and FStream headers, so we can go ahead and get started writing the program. We'll start off with our IFStream object, which we'll call grade file. Our StringStream object will be called grades. We need a variable to store an individual grade. We need a variable to keep track of the total. We'll declare the average down below. Then we're ready to open the file. So we'll open the file like so. Then we need a variable to store our line with the grades. Now we get the grades stored in the line using the getLine function. Now we take the line of grades and put it into the StringStream object using the put_to operator. So we say line put_to grades, so we're putting that data into the StringStream object. Now let's close the grade file because we're finished with it. Now to access each individual grade in the StringStream object, all we have to do is write a loop, for loop, and using put_to, put an individual grade from the grade StringStream into the grade variable. Then add each grade to our total. Then all that's left to do now is simply compute the average and then display it, like so. So let's build and run the project. So 80 is the average. So that's one of the nice features of StringStreams, that you can use it to store other data types intermediately as a string, and then when you're ready to work with those values in their native data type, then you can pull them out, just like I did in the for loop, where I simply accessed the StringStream object, pulled out each grade, and put it into an integer variable to add to the total. So in this exercise, we've seen one way to use the StringStream object when we have to mix data types in C++. And with that, that wraps up this chapter.